They've got glowing complexions, luscious locks, and not a hair out of place. So what's their secret? Let us spill all the tea on the one beauty routine that celebrities are obsessed with but won't talk about until now. You're not gonna believe it. It's waxing. From red carpets to award shows, those picture-perfect moments we see are often hiding a beauty secret. The reason for their smooth, flawless appearance is something they do just before stepping into the spotlight, waxing. But here's the twist. They've got some seriously clever tricks up their sleeves when it comes to this age-old beauty ritual. And today we're giving you a peek behind the velvet rope to reveal the secrets of celeb waxing routines. Are you ready to uncover the truth? Because we're about to let you in on everything from pre-wax skincare steps to post-wax pampering, and even the sneaky ways they make the whole process less painful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, so you never miss any of our juicy updates. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, why waxing over shaving? While shaving might be the go-to for many of us, there's a reason why celebrities swear by waxing. The main reason is that it lasts longer. We're talking weeks, not days. That means no constant upkeep or having to deal with stubble. It's the ultimate time saver for those busy elitsters. Plus, waxing removes the hair from the root, meaning it doesn't grow back in the same direction. So the next time you see a celeb with smooth, flawless skin, chances are waxing is the secret weapon behind that envy-inducing glow. Now let's talk about those sneaky pre-wax skincare steps that celebrities swear by. Before the wax hits the skin, they've got a secret weapon: exfoliation. By removing dead skin cells, it not only preps the area for a smoother wax, but also minimizes those pesky ingrown hairs. We all know how annoying those can be. So what do the stars use to get the job done? Well, let me tell you, they're not messing around. They've got their own personal estheticians or skincare gurus, who tailor the exfoliation process to their needs. No drugstore scrubs for these folks. These treatments are often done with high-tech tools or custom-made products that you and I couldn't get our hands on. But hey, we can try to recreate the magic at home, right? Well, maybe not exactly. Now let's dish about those exclusive aftercare treatments that only the rich and famous can afford. After the wax is done, celebrities don't just slap on some aloe vera and call it a day. Oh no. They've got special post-wax treatments that soothe the skin, reduce redness, and prevent those nasty ingrown hairs. And guess what? These treatments are often customized just for them. No off-shelf products for these pampered celebs. Their estheticians or skincare experts whip up personalized solutions to cater to their unique needs. And if you're wondering what these magical potions contain, well, that's top secret. But let me give you a hint. They're usually a potent mix of antioxidants, soothing agents, and sometimes even a bit of magic. Just kidding, maybe. Next, let's unveil the luxury salon technique that has made its way to our bathrooms. At-home waxing kits have come a long way. They may not be as fancy as the ones used in those swanky salons, but they've got the same idea. These kits often come with everything you need, from the wax itself to applicators and soothing cloths. Some even have warming trays to make the wax nice and melty. And yes, you heard me right. I said wax. You don't need to break the bank on expensive equipment, because these bad boys work wonders without scorching your skin. So if you're thinking of giving waxing a try at home, these kits might just be your ticket to smooth, luscious locks. Just remember to follow the instructions carefully and have a buddy on hand to help with those tricky spots. Who knows? You might just become a waxing pro in no time. Celebrities are known for their commitment to achieving long-lasting results, and waxing fits perfectly into that philosophy. While shaving provides a quick fix, it only lasts a few days before those pesky hairs start growing back. On the other hand, waxing removes the hair from the root, giving it a much longer time to grow back. Some sources say that waxing results can last anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks, which means fewer appointments and more time between touch-ups. For celebrities who have hectic schedules and need to look their best at a moment's notice, this longevity makes waxing a convenient and practical choice. It allows them to maintain their desired level of smoothness, without having to constantly reapply depilatory creams or visit the salon for touch-ups. Plus, consistent waxing can lead to hair that grows back finer and less dense over time. In other words, the more you wax, the thinner the hair becomes, making this long-term hair removal method not just efficient, but also an investment in long-lasting results. We've all been there. The pain, the awkwardness, the whole 9 yards. But fear not, my friend. because celebrities have some seriously clever tricks up their sleeves to make the waxing process a little more bearable. First up, distraction techniques. These folks are pros at keeping their minds off the pain. They might bring a funny movie to binge, put on their favorite tunes, or even chat with their besties on the phone. They've got it all planned out. Next, some celebrities swear by topical anesthetics. You heard me right, numbing creams and gels. These little tubes of magic work by reducing the sensation of pain, making the waxing process a bit more comfortable. Not all salons or spas offer them, but if you ask nicely, they might just whip one out for you. And let's not forget the power of positive self-talk. Celebrities are not afraid to get in there and face the wax head-on. They might tell themselves empowering quotes, affirmations, or anything that helps them stay calm and collected. They're not letting that wax get the best of them. So the next time you're facing the dreaded wax, take a page out of the celeb book. Bring a distraction, try some topical anesthetic, and don't forget the power of positive self-talk. You got this. When it comes to waxing, there are some areas that are often overlooked or considered taboo. But celebrities are not shy about getting all those unwanted hairs removed, no matter where they are. One such area is the back. Many people are unaware that back waxing is a common practice among celebrities. They want to look and feel their best from all angles, and having a smooth back is part of that. This can help prevent irritation and discomfort caused by chafing or rubbing against clothing. Another often overlooked area is the upper lip. Unwanted upper lip hair can be a source of insecurity and self-consciousness for many people. With waxing, celebrities can keep this area hair-free, enhancing their facial aesthetics. By removing upper lip hair, they achieve a cleaner and more defined appearance, boosting their confidence and allowing them to focus on other aspects of their public image. Celebrities are not afraid to go the extra mile when it comes to achieving smooth and luscious locks. Now let's talk about a part of the body that gets a lot of attention: the Brazilian wax. This treatment involves removing all the hair from the front and back, leaving just a landing strip in the middle. Celebrities love it because it gives them the ultimate confidence boost. When it comes to waxing, it's clear that celebrities are not afraid to tackle any area of the body, from head to toe. They're committed to achieving the smoothest, most luscious locks possible. You might be wondering why celebrities keep their waxing routines under wraps. Well, it's not always about maintaining a mysterious vibe. There are a few reasons behind their secrecy. First, privacy is key. Celebrities value their personal space, and don't want to expose too much of their personal grooming habits to the public eye. It's their me time, their chance to relax and feel comfortable in their own space without worrying about being judged or scrutinized. And let's face it, waxing isn't exactly the most glamorous activity. It can be messy, uncomfortable, and leave you feeling a bit vulnerable. So it's understandable that celebrities want to keep these moments to themselves. Second, they want to avoid setting unrealistic beauty standards. Celebrities often face immense pressure to look their best and maintain a certain image in the public eye. By keeping their waxing routines out of the spotlight, they can avoid adding to the unrealistic beauty standards that already exist. They don't want to send the message that everyone must wax their entire body to be considered attractive or successful. Instead, they prefer to focus on their achievements and talent rather than their grooming habits. Lastly, it's just plain awkward. Talking about waxing can be a bit awkward and uncomfortable, especially when it comes to intimate areas like the Brazilian wax. Celebrities don't want to feel embarrassed or ashamed about taking care of their bodies, and they shouldn't have to. It's a personal choice that should be respected and embraced. Now let's talk about why celebrities choose to wax over other hair removal methods. First up, waxing is a cost-effective solution. Compared to laser hair removal or electrolysis, waxing is a budget-friendly option that celebrities can afford without breaking the bank. It's a practical and cost-efficient way to maintain their smooth and hairless appearance, especially considering the frequency of touch-ups required to keep the hair at bay. Next, waxing offers flexibility. It's a convenient option for celebrities who travel extensively and need a portable hair removal solution. Unlike laser treatments, which require specialized equipment and are typically performed in salons or clinics, waxing can be done on the go with minimal fuss. All it takes is a quick appointment with a local salon or a DIY session at home. Celebrities appreciate this convenience, as it allows them to keep their grooming routine consistent regardless of their location. Additionally, waxing provides immediate results. Unlike laser hair removal, which requires multiple sessions and gradual hair reduction, waxing delivers instant gratification. Once the wax is applied and removed, the hair is gone, leaving behind smooth and silky skin. This immediacy is appealing to celebrities who need to look their best for red carpet events, photo shoots, and public appearances. It enables them to achieve the desired hair-free look quickly and efficiently, ensuring they meet their aesthetic goals without wasting time. And that's a wrap, folks. We've decoded the secrets of celeb waxing routines. From their pre-wax skincare rituals to the tricks they use to make the process less painful, we've covered it all. But here's the real secret. It's not just about looking glamorous. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in their own skin. Because true beauty starts from within and radiates outwards. So the next time you see a celeb rocking a flawless look, remember that behind that gorgeous glow is a whole lot of hard work and dedication. And a good amount of waxing. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by giving us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest updates. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay confident, and most importantly, stay true to yourself.